Now coming to find the increase or decrease in percent, where we use all these increase or decrease percent. Suppose there is a sale, we say that in that product we are having 20% 20% sale, means you will get 20% discount on that. So these, in that way we can find what is the, how to use the formula. Increased percent means increase in value. Increase in value. What is the value is increased by the original value into 100. Suppose the value is increased by from 60 it went to 80. Okay, so what is the increased value? 80 minus 60 is the increased value, means 20. So 20 by the original value. What was the original value? 60 was the original value. So 20 by 60 into 100%. This is the formula for increased percent. This is final value. Final value is 80. Original value is 60. So divided by 60 into 100%. This is formula for the increased percent. Now if with the same, suppose 60 is decreased to 40. So the decreased value by the original value into 100%. What is original value? Original value is 60 minus my final value, that is 40. So 60 minus 40 is 20 by original value. What is the original value? 60 here into 100%. So this is the formula. Now let's take a few examples. Here increase rupees 35 by 20%. Two sums we have taken, and decrease rupees 30 by 10%. How to go for this? Solution 1. Increase rupees 35 by 20%. So what is 20% of 35? 20% of 35 should be increased. So 20% of 35 means 20 by 100 into 35. Okay. Now this cuts. So 2 into 5. 5 is 7. 35. So this is rupees 7. So this is rupees 7 is increased. For what? The original price is 35. So increased value is rupees 35 plus rupees 7. This is the increased value. So this is rupees 42. Now for solution 2. What is this? Decrease rupees 30 by 10%. So what is 10% of rupees 30? What is this? So 10 out of 100 into rupees 30 into this 30. So we are getting here rupees 3. So here it is decreased. So decreased value will be, decreased value is, original is 30 minus 3, that is rupees 27. What percent is 12 of 80? Solution 1. Means suppose let us take the percent be x. Let's x be the percent. We don't know what is the percent. So what does it means? What percent is 12 of 80? X percent of 80 is 12. This is the question. X percent, x be the percent. So what percent is 12 of 80? Is 12. What percent of x is 12? So x by 100 of means multiply is equal to 12. So I need x here. What is the percent? So 0 0 cancels out. So this is x equal to, this will go up, means 12 into 10, and this 8 will come down here. So 4 into 2 8, 4 is 3, 12. So 5. So 15. 15% of 80 is 12. So this is 15%. What does it mean? 15% of 80 is 12. Okay. The cost of a book is decreased by 15%. The original price of the book is rupees 120. Find the decreased cost. So for this solution 2, what I need to do? First let me take X be the, let X decrease in, let X be the decrease in price. Now what is my original price? Is rupees 120. I need the decreased cost, means final cost of the book. Cost is required. So this I can do in two methods. First I have taken this X be the decrease in price and original price is this, then decreased cost. We know the decreased in price, decreased percentage means decrease in price by original price into 100. So this is the formula for the decreased percent. So decreased percent is 15%. 15 and decreased in price we have taken X, and what is our original price? 120, and this is 100. So what is my X here? Cross multiply. If you do 15 into 120, and this 100 will come down. This is rupees 18. So rupees 18 is decreased from what? This is 120. So what is the final price then? Final price, or you may say decreased cost is rupees how much? 120 minus 18, that is rupees 102. Rupees 102. So this is a method, or I can take the other method, alternate method. We can find the decreased cost first. Solution 2 for and the alternate method. Alternate method. What is this? So here it is given the original price is given. Original price of the book is rupees 120. So decreased 15%. So what is the decreased price? Decreased price is equal to 15%. 15% of rupees 120. So 15 out of 100 into 120. This is 18. Decreased price is rupees 18 here. So what we need? We need the actual cost, final cost of the book. Final cost of the book is rupees 120 minus rupees 18, that is rupees 102. So this is the other method. This is all about our percent. Thank you.